Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is April the 24th. In my journey to 50k, I'm currently at 141 to 25, so up by about $100 for the day because of the dodge. For the past week, up by about 1.6%, which is about 2,200. For the past month, up by about 8.5%, which is about 11,100. For the past 3 months, down by about 18.3%, which is about 31,700. And for the past year, up by about 50%, which is about 47,200. So just make sure that the like and subscribe button are working on your end. Just tap them gently and let me know what you think about this stock in the comment section. PSEC is one of the dividend plays that we talk about in this channel. I have some updates on this as well as on price target, so let's get straight to it. So currently we can see by Friday it was up by about 0.87%, and we see some positive action after hours. For the past week, up by about 1.3%. Past month, up by about 5%. Past 3 months, up by about 30%. And the past year, up by about 100%. So this is one of those dividend plays I would highly recommend to have in your watch list. And once you do your DD, make sure you can just scoop some, just because one thing I've noticed is this company is always consistent in terms of the growth. So if you don't want to risk a lot of your money in some speculative plays, I think it's a good idea to park your money in a dividend play, whereby you get a monthly payment as well as just have your money grow at a higher rate actually compared to most other companies, in my opinion. So let me show you my position for those who haven't seen my other video. So currently I have 208.95 shares at an average cost of $5. So I have a return of about 58%. I'm hoping to increase this position. Ultimately it's 1,000 shares that I want to target. So I'll be continuing to build this position as I go. Also, just join me in this journey and let me know what you think about this company. I will touch base on some news. I wanted to kind of put out there that they have some important information. They put up a press release on Friday, I believe yesterday. I think they do have some filing they did with the SEC, and I didn't manage to find one of the documents. They have a special meeting that they want to call out for, and it's actually to authorize the company, approve the sale of shares of common stock during the next 12 months at a price which will be below the company's then current price. So let's say if the price is 8.11, they will sell it way below that. They haven't specified a percentage, but I'll say expect anything in the range of even 10 to 25%, in my opinion, just because we have seen a lot of companies do the same, and that makes actually the stock price go down a little bit, and the market might react. That's why you have to be very careful if you want to get into this play. Since I bought it at $5, if it gets any even lower than where it is, I'm happy to kind of just add my position. But let me just show you the news that I was reading. So this came out yesterday. So Prospect Capital Corporation continues preferred stock offering. Issuance exceed 75 million since initial closing. So PSEC announced today that our continuous preferred stock offering of up to 40 million shares of Series A, M1 and M2 with 1 billion aggregate liquidation preference. The preferred stock has issued 80.6 million in aggregate preference amount since the initial closing in the quarter ending December 31st, 2020. Prospect issued 19.7 million in aggregate preference amount of the preferred stock since March 15, 2021. Prospect's preferred stock delivers a consistent, attractive risk-adjusted return to investors and is accretive to Prospect's common stock, said Raya Elasek, President and Chief Operating Officer of Prospect Capital Corporation. The preferred stock has a stated annual dividend rate of 5.5%, which we've talked about before, which is pretty decent. Paid monthly, so this is a monthly dividend paying company. So if you want to add quarterly, you can also add that, and also add more monthly, so that you have more money coming in from different companies every month. But we will be touching base on others that you need to have in your watch list and maybe do your DD on. Quick reminder, this is just for entertainment purposes as well. So the preferred stock is perpetual and convertible into our publicly traded common stock at the preferred investor's discretion, with conversions occurring twice per month, subject to certain conditions and fees that decline to zero over time if applicable. This press release is for informational purposes and is not an offer to purchase or sell, a solicitation of an offer to buy this security, nor shall there be any sale of these securities in any state or jurisdiction in which such offer, solicitation, or sale will be unlawful prior to registration of qualification under the securities law of such state or jurisdiction. The offering is being made only by means of a prospectus supplement and the accompanying prospectus, copies of which may be obtained by writing to the preferred capital address there. About PSEC, those who don't know, Prospect Capital Corporation is a business development company that focuses on lending and investing in private businesses. Prospect's investment objective is to generate both current income and long-term capital appreciation through debt and equity investment. So one thing to remember is this space has some risk. It's seeing a lot of growth currently, but just beware about how the market is acting up right now. We have inflation going up crazy, we have low interest rates, so this might affect them to some extent for the long term. So just be aware that when you're getting into this play, it might not pop as it did in the previous year, but yeah, I wanted to bring this to your attention. Let me know in the comments section what you think about this stock. I believe once they start selling the shares, I think we might see a dip. I see it getting to even six bucks and something if they do that anytime soon, but I also hope and see that it's getting to 10 bucks by the end of the year, given the market conditions. If we don't see a bubble in the industry whereby this business has been affected and the real estate, then we should kind of hit that 10 bucks by the end of the year, which will be a really good return. So let me know what price target you guys have, and also let me know if you'll be participating in the proxy meeting. I think they'll be sending emails and letters out if you're a shareholder, and then we'll discuss that when they have a definitive date. So always remember to check the SEC filings just to be sure what you've read online or listen to other people, and also make sure you check the main website for the details, so that you are just not listening to somebody online like me without cross-checking or fact-checking on your end. Be green, be safe. See you on next one. Bye.